It's September 1st. How exciting. 28-day, everyday strength challenge. Let's get started. Just real gentle twist to warm up our bodies. Take this nice athletic stance. Feet shoulder width apart. Squat down just a tiny bit. Already begin to feel the strength in your legs. Is it possible to build strength in just 10 minutes a day? In 28 days, I assure you, at the end of this 28 days, you're gonna have more energy, you're gonna feel stronger, and it's gonna give you the trust and confidence in your body to do the things you absolutely love. Stay consistent, show up every day, and we will build some amazing strength together. Light, gentle-ish, low impact movements. We'll focus on balance and mobility, so much more, but we're really gonna tap into the strength that we possess. Let's just roll the shoulders back. Squat down just a bit, rise up, roll your shoulders back. This first week is about foundations. We wanna focus on our alignment, on our posture. As you sink down and roll your shoulders back, come up nice and tall. We want to build this amazing posture throughout this 28 days. Engage your core. Core stability, particularly this week and as we go forward, is going to be a major focus. We want that great core stability so we have balance. We can bend and reach, squat down with a real sense of strength. Just waking up. All right, here we go. Side bend. Your hand should come a little behind your head. This is great for strength in the side, the obliques. You come up on to the heel of your foot and reach up a little bit further, decompress the spine. We want to bring mind, body connection, breath work in everything we do. We're going to breathe into the movements. We'll finish with a little mindfulness session every day, just so that we can build this strength of focus, concentration. Just come down a bit and stretch it out. Last one here. Begin to march in place. As we go forward with our 28-day challenge, we're all at different places. You modify every exercise, every movement to suit your needs. As we get into week 2, we're going to increase the intensity a bit. I often say it's consistency over intensity. That doesn't mean we can't pick up the intensity every once in a while. As we get into week 3, we're going to bring some real challenges into it. Let's challenge ourselves. One way to keep our mind sharp and avoid mental decline is to take on new challenges, push ourselves a little bit. And then we get into week 4, we'll begin mastering some movements so that we can use those movements throughout our life to continue to build amazing strength. As our muscles know no age. Real focused movement here. Strengthen your arms. Shoulders back, head up high. We want to move with integrity. So we get to great posture. You know, walk into a room, wow, people are just gonna see this incredible confidence because you have trust in your body after 28 days of amazing movement. And what's more exciting than starting at the beginning of a month? Oh yes. Okay, strong legs, sharp mind. You're gonna hear me say that so many times throughout this challenge, but it's absolutely true. So just a standard squat. Nice athletic stance, feet about shoulder width apart. And just squat down. Bring your hands together. When you come up, swing your arms back. Head up high. Squat down, shoulders back. Just stand there, right there. Superman posture, superwoman. Oh yes, the strength that you possess. It's all there. We're just going to unlock it day by day with consistent movements. And we're going to move with a real sense of awe and curiosity. A real wow, look at what my body can do. And curious about the things that it can't. If we do a movement we can't do, you're simply just going to say, oh, I can't do that yet. I'll get there. Head up high. Sink down as deeply as you can. Rise up. But again, real integrity. Engage your core. Everything comes from our core. So we want to compound movements that use many different muscles. That's how we can build strength with simple bodyweight exercises, standing. We don't need to go to the gym, which is amazing. If that's your thing, go for it. But there's so much we can do in just 10 minutes with simple bodyweight exercises, as long as we consistently show up. Consistency is king. Or queen. Oh, there we go. We will release dopamine every single day. Your energy will be boosted. Your mood will be elevated. That's the everyday energy guarantee. One more. Let's just hold it for a sec. Just hold. Just feel the strength in your body. It's there. Oh, and we're going to unleash it onto the world. Oh, okay. Playful movement. Want to raise our arms up and then begin to lift your heels off the ground. This movement is so incredible for building strength in our legs, balance, core stability. So even if you come off only the smallest amount, that is perfectly fine. You just do what works for you. You could even have a chair or countertop as assistance if you'd like. So raise one arm. Keeping a chair nearby for all of our sessions will be useful. We will use a chair, a bench. That is the one prop that we'll use, but everybody's got a chair nearby. But it's great. When you need assistance, you use it. When you come off, brilliant also. So just bring your arms up, rise up to the best of your ability, head up high. Again, real dignified move. Oh, and just start to feel that energy flowing through your body, the strength in those beautiful muscles you have. Breathe into the movement. As we begin our new adventure here on the school platform, I encourage communication. Go on the discussions. Let us know how the sessions went for you. Let's inspire each other. Those beautiful quotes. Oh, yes. Let everybody share in collected wisdom. A couple more. We get to the top here. Can you just hold it for a moment? Just hold it. Maybe the arms come back just a little bit. Feel that strength in your shoulders. Engage the core. Laser-like attention on one spot to keep your balance and focus. Oh, that felt pretty good. That felt very good. Okay. Squat down again. And a little flow. So reach to the side, nice twist. Again, we want to decompress the spine. We'll do a lot of back work. So we can bend down and tie our shoes well into our hundreds. Squat, leg strength. Twist over. Oh, decompressing the spine. Mobility. You can bring your foot up off the ground a little bit. But flow. Again, enjoy movement. Movement is a pleasure, not a punishment. Have a mindset shift. As things get dark, they will change very significantly here in Finland, and we're going to find a way to appreciate the darkness. Appreciate our bodies for where they're at, everything they do for us. Thank you, heart, for continuing to beat. Oh, thank you, liver, for continuing to detoxify my body. Wow. Okay, last one here. Real simple, but again, focus on your posture, your alignment. Just step back. Nice bicep curl. Head up high, shoulders back, and begin to make a fist when you come to the top. Squeeze the bicep. Every time we make a fist and squeeze, we're strengthening our forearms so that we have amazing grip strength. Grip strength is a real sign of longevity, and people that begin to age poorly often have bad grip strength. We want to be able to carry our groceries, lift things up, head up high, elongate your torso, feel your body decompressing here as you do it as well. Get real long as you step back. Oh, strength. All right, last one here. Okay, just a simple balancing exercise to finish off. Balance is going to be so key to everything we do. Really, really, really simple. But think of your alignment, your posture here. Arms out, head up high, shoulders back, and just raise one leg after the other. Again, if you need a little assistance, something to support you, by all means. Simple, not necessarily easy. Do your best. Last couple. Oh, shake it out. Well done. Day one completed, except we need to continue to build concentration, focus. What could be more important than having strength in our minds? Pick one spot, real focused attention, just 30 seconds. Bring all your attention to that one spot. Watch the monkey mind. Every time it wanders, come right back and just be. But stand with real integrity, shoulders back, head up high, strong posture. And let's begin. Focus. That simple practice can be an absolute game changer. Thank you so much for being here. I am so pleased you've joined us. I will see you again tomorrow for day 2 of our Everyday Strength Challenge. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.